Hi everyone, this is Asif Sheikh. I have done MSc in mathematics and I have done B.Ed also, and currently I am teaching various college and coaching classes, and I have total 7 years experience in my field, that is in teaching field. Okay, hello everyone. Today I am going to start trigonometry function. Let me brief you some more about trigonometry function. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words, that is trigon and metron, which means measuring of sides of a triangle. Trigonometry function we normally deal in right angle triangle, because for that we want hypotenuse. See, hypotenuse is only having a right angle triangle. It was generally developed to solve the numerical, to solve the problem of geometric dealing with the triangles. Currently it is used in various field, in a many field, that is science of seismology, or you can say the engineers are using to construct a building and all. uh, uh, in earlier classes about this chapter we have studied that trigonometry functions of acute angle as a trigonometry function of sides of a right angle triangle. We also have studied about trigonometry, that is trigonometry identities and its application, that is solving a height and distance numericals with the help of trigonometry functions. Now we are going to study in this chapter, that is trigonometry function is will generalize here that trigonometry ratios as trigonometry functions to solve numericals and height and distance, and we will study more, that is their property here. As I have introduced the trigonometry function, we can see here graphical also. The trigonometry function is divided in two words, that is trigon and metron. You can understand more by this from that board. Trigon means three sides, and metron means measuring of. Together we can call it the measuring of three sides in a right angle triangle, that is nothing but trigonometry function. Now before dealing with the trigonometry function, I will introduce something about angles, how we can plot angle and in which direction we can have a triangle. As we all know that trigonometry function we can form this in from positive and from negative also. Positive degree angle, that means if we are measuring angle anti-clockwise direction, and negative means if we are measuring angle in clockwise direction.